Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the MAC address check using the IMEI number of your REALME C71. Okay, so first we need to open up our settings in our REALME C71. Now scroll down into the bottom until you find the About Phone information. Scroll down again until you find the status. And in here we have our device Wi-Fi MAC address. Okay, so once we have this knowledge, what is our MAC address, and we need to get into the IMEI.info page. Okay, so now we are on the page, and now in this bar in front of us, we need to type the IMEI number first of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing all checking options on the site, and also I'm showing how to find the IMEI number on your REALME C71. So if you want, you can look for that video. Once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we have our REALME C71. Now all we need to do is to scroll into the bottom until we find the basic checks, and in here click on the MAC address check. Scroll again, and now in this text bar type the MAC address of your device and click on check MAC address. Now we need to wait up to 20 seconds, but it should take less. Okay, now we have our results. So we have the company name, the company address, country flag, the OUI, is it private, a border left and border right, assignment block size, data of creation, data of the update, and below we can see 10 random MAC addresses. And we can copy each one of them by clicking on that icon next to each IMEI. And also we can copy all of them at the same time by clicking on that button, copy all MACs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.